We hope you will join us as we examine the art of blissful living from a Stoic perspective. You're at the correct spot if you've ever been overtaken by life's obstacles, or if you've ever looked for a greater sense of fulfillment and significance. The ancient Greek philosophy of Stoicism shows us how to develop inner serenity and fortitude in the face of hardship. Fundamentally, Stoicism emphasizes the value of accepting what we cannot change and concentrating on the things we can. This way of thinking is a useful manual for leading a happier, more contented life rather than only a philosophical exercise. The tenets of Stoicism are more applicable than ever in the fast-paced, high-stress environment of today. Imagine being able to face every day with poise and confidence, no matter what challenges life presents. You may learn to manage your emotions, forge closer bonds with others, and eventually discover joy in the here and now by adopting Stoic teachings. We'll explore important Stoic ideas in this video and show you how they can change the way you live every day. We'll provide you useful advice and realistic examples to motivate you to apply these timeless ideas to your daily life. So, if you're prepared to learn how Stoicism may help you on your path to a happy life, pay attention. We'll discover the keys to a life that is both more tranquil and meaningful together. Body, promoting physical health. Taking care of our physical well-being is crucial to live a pleasant life. The body is seen as an essential part of our general well-being and health in Stoic philosophy. Stoics emphasize the connection between mental and physical well-being by holding that a healthy body is a reflection of a sound mind. This indicates that maintaining our bodies via exercise and a healthy diet is essential to leading a happy life, not merely a good idea. Exercise is essential to Stoicism. Regular physical exercise raises our mood, strengthens our resilience, and benefits our general well-being. Exercise, whether it be a vigorous stroll in the park, a yoga class, or a gym session, enables us to establish a connection with our body and let go of stored-up tension. Particularly, yoga fosters strength and peace by fusing physical postures with mindfulness. It's an approach that encourages us to be mindful of our body and be in the present moment, which is a wonderful fit with Stoic values. Another important component in this equation is nutrition. Stoics promoted eating in moderation and with awareness, understanding that our physical and mental health are directly impacted by the food we eat. Making full, nutrient-dense foods a priority may nourish our bodies and brains and give us the power and clarity to tackle life's obstacles. Remember to put your physical well-being first as you set out on your path to a happy life. You can build a solid foundation that supports not only your body but your entire life by including exercise and mindful diet into your daily routine. Accept these routines and see how they improve your general feeling of well-being. Mental health. Fostering mental hardiness. Building mental resilience is essential to achieving pleasant living, and Stoicism provides us with effective methods to improve our mental health. The idea that our ideas and perceptions create our world is fundamental to Stoic philosophy. We may more easily and joyfully traverse life's ups and downs by concentrating on mental clarity. Mindfulness is a useful method for reaching mental clarity. By encouraging us to be in the present, this practice enables us to examine our thoughts and sensations without passing judgment. We may cultivate mindfulness to lessen stress and anxiety and to create a more tranquil mental space. In a similar vein, meditation is an effective means of calming the mind and developing self-awareness. We may acquire perspective by meditating for only a little while each day, which will help us respond to difficulties with composure and clarity. Another essential component of Stoicism that enhances our pleasure is emotional control. Stoics held that it's critical to comprehend our feelings and resist allowing them to control how we behave. We may keep control over our reactions by learning to think things through before acting, which promotes healthier relationships and a more balanced existence. With this viewpoint, we may see failures as chances for improvement rather than impenetrable barriers. You should think about making daily reflections a part of your routine to help you develop a stronger attitude. You can find trends and opportunities for growth by setting aside some time each day to evaluate your ideas, emotions, and behaviors. This practice upholds the Stoic concept of perpetual progress in addition to promoting self-awareness. You may develop a resilient mind that improves your general pleasure and well-being by adopting these strategies. Soul. reaching out for inner calm. We discover deep realizations that bring us to inner peace as we explore the spiritual aspects of Stoicism. This ideology is based on the idea that genuine serenity originates inside. In our daily lives, we may create a greater feeling of contentment by adopting ideas like acceptance and thankfulness. Practicing gratitude is a great way to change our perspective from what we lack to what we have. By setting aside time each day to express gratitude for what we have in life, we cultivate an optimistic outlook that improves our general well-being. This modest gesture of gratitude has the power to change our viewpoint and make even the simplest situations joyful. The Stoics held that no matter what happens outside of us, keeping an optimistic attitude is facilitated by acknowledging the positive aspects of our existence. Another essential element in reaching inner calm is acceptance. It's important to learn to accept the things in life that we cannot control because they are full of uncertainty and challenges. We relieve ourselves of needless tension and anxiety by letting go of the impulse to control every result. This acceptance gives us the freedom to concentrate on our reactions and deeds, enabling us to live gracefully through life. Taking part in activities that provide a feeling of purpose and belonging is crucial if we want to deepen our connection with our inner selves. Our sense of fulfillment may be increased by engaging in activities that are in line with our values, whether via artistic expression, community service, or spiritual inquiry. Last but not least, fortifying our spirits with forgiveness and self-compassion is essential. We provide a healthy environment for development and healing when we are compassionate and understanding toward ourselves. Adopting these values can result in a deep sense of inner serenity that enables us to live happily and truthfully. Intelligence, grasping knowledge and wisdom. To live a happy life, intellectual development is essential, and Stoicism places a strong emphasis on developing our intellect as a means of achieving happiness. The fundamental tenet of this philosophy is lifelong learning, which exhorts us to pursue knowledge and comprehension relentlessly throughout our lives. Adopting a curious mindset allows us to be receptive to fresh viewpoints and ideas that improve our well-being and enrich our lives. In this path, critical thinking is equally important. It gives us the ability to evaluate circumstances, challenge presumptions, and come to wise judgments. The capacity for critical thought enables us to make sense of the abundance of information in our environment and to clearly navigate difficult situations. Stoics held that wisdom involves using information intelligently in our day-to-day lives, rather than just acquiring it. Marcus Aurelius' Meditations is one of the most basic literature to study if you want to learn about Stoic philosophy. This classic provides deep understanding of the human condition and acts as a roadmap for introspection and development. We may develop resilience and inner serenity by learning to face obstacles with a Stoic mentality by thoroughly studying these lessons. Furthermore, encouraging conversations and arguments centered on Stoic ideas may greatly improve our comprehension and discernment. We may examine many points of view, confront our convictions, and expand our understanding by interacting with others. These discussions, whether in an official context or informally, can provide fresh insights and motivate personal development. Setting intellectual growth as a top priority not only improves our personal lives, but also makes the world a more considerate and caring place. Accept the learning process and see how it changes your route to a happy life. Environment, creating a harmonious space. Our environment greatly influences how we feel about ourselves and how happy we are in general. Our surroundings have the power to either boost us up or bring us down. Therefore, it's critical to design a peaceful area that promotes well-being. We may accomplish this in the most efficient ways possible by arranging and decluttering our living spaces. Stress and distraction can result from having a busy mind due to a congested environment. We may improve mental clarity and create a calmer environment by decluttering and streamlining our surrounds. This approach gives us a greater sense of control and enables us to concentrate on the important things in life. It is essential to inspire visitors to design a serene and inspirational living environment. Think about adding components that speak to you, such somber hues, significant artwork, or sentimental items. Your attitude and productivity may be greatly affected by setting up your area in a way that encourages comfort and usefulness. Simple adjustments like adding plants or setting up comfortable reading nooks may make your home seem like a haven that uplifts your soul. Furthermore, it is impossible to overestimate the significance of the outdoors and environment. It has been demonstrated that spending time in natural environments lowers stress, elevates mood, and improves general well-being. Engaging with nature, whether it be through a stroll in a park, trekking through the mountains, or just relaxing in your garden, may revitalize both your body and mind. We may create an atmosphere that helps us on our path to happy life by intentionally designing our surroundings. Accept the effect of your environment and see how it affects your mood and level of happiness. In summary, as we conclude our examination of the art of blissful living under the prism of Stoicism, it's critical to consider the main ideas we've covered. In order to develop a holistic approach to well-being, we have emphasized the significance of integrating the body, mind, soul, intellect, and surroundings. Every one of these components is essential to our resilience and happiness, serving as a constant reminder that genuine happiness stems from living a life that is harmonious and in balance. First, we spoke about how important it is to take care of our physical health by exercising and eating a healthy diet, since these things set the stage for our entire well-being. We then looked at the mental parts of Stoicism, including how to improve our mental resilience via practices like emotional control and mindfulness. We also looked at the spiritual aspects, emphasizing self-compassion, acceptance, and thankfulness as means of achieving inner peace. The development of our minds became apparent as a crucial element that enriched our lives by promoting critical thinking and lifetime learning. Lastly, we talked about the influence of our surroundings, emphasizing how organizing our space, spending time in nature, and getting rid of clutter can all have a significant positive impact on our mental health. It's time for you to start moving in the direction of a happy life. Start by applying these ideas to your everyday activities and see how they improve your life. We encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this video with others if you think they may find these ideas useful. We can create a community that is committed to embracing the art of pleasant life if we work together. We appreciate you being here, and we hope to share more insightful information with you soon.